Sis, I get it. You're busy back to back and you literally have no time for yourself. And booking a hair appointment is literally not in the picture at all. But guess what though? That's when I come in. Hi, I'm Effortless Beauty. And I have 3 simple items. I'll have you look put together in minutes. So what you be needing, trust the process, okay? The first item would be this braided wig. This braided wig is from QUEENDOM Hair. I'll put the link, everything in the description side, so definitely check it out. And your route to comb, that's literally all the items that you need. Let's get right into it. Just a little spec about the hair. I'll put it on the screen on this side so you guys can see what it looks like in the picture. And this is what the inside of the wig looks like. This is the back and this is the front, and it has baby hair right up at the front. And there's also elastic band and clips on 2 sides at the front and a clip at the back. This is in color 1B and this is 36 inches long. We like it long over here. The best part is hair was less than $100. You can't go wrong with that, okay? Very affordable. Let's get into it. My first step, I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace and cut out the excess lace in the wig cap. I'm gonna take my Skin Like powder and a brush and go all over the inside like so, because I want it to match my skin tone, right? We want it to match our skin tone, right? Yes, exactly. So let me go ahead and do that. I'll be right back and show you guys the results. Yeah, I've gone ahead to tint the lace. So much better. This is the scalp now. This is the side part. So my next step will be going ahead to braid down my hair. So make sure your hair is nice and washed and moisturized. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it and braid it down. Let go. Forget to oil your scalp. This is done. My braids are done. Nothing perfect, just simple. The only thing we have to do now is put on the wig and an elastic band. I already have my edges slicked from earlier, so I don't think I need to do anymore. But I can just do this side, I guess. This is the edge control I'm using. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. This is the left side. And you guys can use like any band your heart desires. I'm using an elastic band because I find like elastic band holds it tight on my. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the lace on here, the front and the back lace. Are you guys excited? Because I am. Let's go. Ooh, oh, she baby. Yes. I don't need to do too much. Maybe I'm already doing enough. Doing the job. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna push it back like so. The baby hairs, I'm gonna tuck them inside because they're doing too much. And then all I'm gonna do is put my here's the wrong elastic band, but you guys get the drift. This is what we're working with. Isn't this already like super cute, guys? You can do a side braids. I feel like you can do an updo with it as well. You can do a updo. That would be super cute. Yes, so that's it. We're done. Cute, easy, and quick. No brushing, no detangling, no flat ironing, no glue. Your entire natural hair is fully protected. All you just have to do is get up and go, which is so perfect for a queen like you, right?
Oh my god! Wow!
And yeah, that's it. Make sure you go ahead and thumb this video up if you guys enjoyed this gem that I dropped for you. Go ahead and click on that subscribe/follow button if you love beauty content and you like beauty hacks and tricks and gems, everything beauty. Make sure you save this video for later or share it to your families and friends. And yeah, Thank me later. Bye for now.